Ever wondered why your car is not performing as it should? Or perhaps you've noticed some unusual symptoms lately? In the heart of your vehicle's engine lies an essential component known as a fuel injector. This nifty device sprays fuel into the combustion chamber in a fine mist, ensuring optimal burning for efficient performance. However, just like any other part, it can become clogged over time, requiring some maintenance. Now, how can you tell if your fuel injector is clogged? Let's delve into the symptoms. Before we dive into the symptoms, let's take a moment to understand why fuel injectors are so crucial for your car's performance. Fuel injectors play a critical role in the engine's combustion process. They deliver the right amount of fuel at the right time, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. A well-functioning fuel injector can significantly improve your engine's performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Now, imagine what happens when this vital component starts to fail. The engine's performance dips, fuel efficiency decreases, and your car struggles to deliver the performance you're used to. That's why it's essential to recognize the symptoms of a clogged fuel injector and address them promptly. And speaking of addressing car issues promptly, wouldn't it be great to have a reliable source of information to help you understand and maintain your car better? That's what we're here for. If you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Honest Mechanic Colorado. We're committed to providing you with tips, tricks, and advice on car maintenance to help you keep your vehicle in top shape. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics. Now let's move on to the symptoms of a clogged fuel injector. One of the first signs of a clogged fuel injector is engine misfires, leading to poor acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, and a rough idle. This happens because the injector isn't able to spray fuel into the combustion chamber in the fine mist it needs to burn optimally. Next, let's talk about that little light on your dashboard that we all dread. The check engine light. If your fuel injector is clogged or dirty and not supplying fuel efficiently, an electrical signal is sent out to warn you. That's when you see the check engine light blink. Another symptom to watch out for is a vibrating engine. This occurs when the engine isn't receiving enough fuel and starts to vibrate after completing a full cycle. Now, have you ever noticed a bad fuel odor while driving? That's another sign you shouldn't ignore. This happens when the fuel injector is leaking or doesn't close properly, causing excess fuel to create a noticeable bad smell. Lastly, keep an eye on your fuel consumption. A clogged fuel injector could cause your engine to consume more fuel than usual. This is because the engine has to work harder to compensate for the lack of fuel, leading to increased fuel consumption. These are the typical symptoms of a clogged fuel injector. If you notice any of these, it might be time to get your vehicle checked. So, to recap, your fuel injector plays a vital role in your car's performance. It's an electronic maestro orchestrating the perfect blend of fuel and air for optimal combustion. But like any maestro, it can hit a sour note if it gets clogged. This can lead to a symphony of symptoms, including engine misfires, a blinking check engine light, a vibrating engine, a bad fuel odor, and increased fuel consumption. Each of these signs is your car's way of playing out a distress signal. It's screaming for help because it's not able to perform at its best. Ignoring these symptoms could lead to poor acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, and a rougher ride. Remember, a well-maintained fuel injector is essential for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Stay safe and keep your vehicle running smoothly.